you go on an oval and try to use your clutch and brake. Oh! Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't meant to be for the camera, but I guess that's gonna be nice to watch in the slow motion. Are you okay? Yes? Okay. Ciao from Italy. This is Dominika Rides. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm in the heart of Scrambler Ducati, and today I'm gonna be doing the Days of Joy, the off-road course. So you have three options to do the off-road course: the flat track course, which is over there, all the basic riding course there. And I'm not gonna be alone because I have my friend Lucia here. Lucia, come join us. So this is gonna be first time for you riding a Scrambler Ducati, right?
Yes, first time. I can't wait. They look amazing.
And you do a lot of off-road.
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. So we're really looking forward to see how the course goes.
Yeah.
The sun's shining, it's nice and hot.
We got the best bikes.
Let's go and get on board. Ciao. Hi. So we're off to go to the track and get a little briefing there as well. So, Lucia, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm ROBERTO UNGARO and
Okay.
motorbike journalist. I was an off-road rider in the past, and now official teacher for off-road Ducati. Today we start with the Ducati SLED. It's not a real off-road bike, but it's very amazing, very fun.
I'm pretty sure it goes everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. No panic.
No panic.
Our goal today is no panic at the end of the day. Okay?
And we are here to learn because it's a school, so it's not a race.
yeah. We start for the slalom.
Okay, so the slalom is over there.
Slalom, very easy. The
Everybody's
distance,
getting ready now.
Let's start.
Which is a bit more difficult slalom, so that one is for beginners, and now we're going to the intermediate ones. This might look easy, but it's not easy at all. It's so hot. How do you feel? How do you like it?
It's really good. Good
Yes?
fun. Yeah, bike feel nice and stable. It's a hot day.
Yes, it's a hot day. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's hard, huh?
It's hard, but it's funny.
Definitely. That's why we're here. We're here to learn.
rear brake.
Yeah. Okay. Come na to. The Enduro is 100 kilos. This is 180 kilos.
It's very different.
easy slalom, which was over there, the difficult slalom over there. Then we went to do this. This is the other group that has been training. So you go on an oval and try to use your clutch and brake. Oh! Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't meant to be for the camera, but I guess that's gonna be nice to watch in the slow motion. Are you okay? Yes? Okay. So then we went all the way to do the big round thing. We went uphill and downhill, and now we're about to go and do the big uphills, downhills with 70% of downhill. So let's go. Okay, now it's time for the second course of the day, and hopefully we won't fall down again like earlier. Thank you! Yay! One more time! Yes! I've got I lost the clutch?
Completely.
Okay. Držím bike. Yes? Oh. Ďakujem. Oh my god. Funguje klač?
Čo?
Funguje teraz klač.
No hej, len je malička.
No tak to je ťažko.
Hej,
No.
ťažko.
Where is the clutch?
I'm sorry, it's up there.
No problem.
Ah,
Choose the bike.
yes, I mean. This poor cat. Poor bajka. Basta.
I'm so tired.
Basta.
Yeah.
It's the heat. The heat is a big problem.
Yeah.
We already did this long ride that goes uphill, downhill, tight turns, and it's super nice. And now we're chilling a little bit, so I think it's a good time to have a chat with the girls and with the other riders as well and see what they think. Hello! So this is your second time here?
Yes, and
What do you think?
I feel more confidence with the desert.
You're having fun?
Yes, I love off-road.
Perfect, thank you. So we also have Chiara, who is a beginner basically. So
Very beginner.
first time off-road?
Very first time off-road.
First time off-road, and
And
how do you find it?
I am surprised I actually managed to do all the exercises and
You did very well.
I didn't fall
Yeah?
once. No, never.
Never?
Yeah, never.
So first time off-road is on a desert sled.
I survived.
Ah.
I'm so happy. It's been so much fun. Yeah.
You're doing very, very well. Good job. And Lucia here, she's intermediate, I guess. She's been in Morocco and done lots of off-road trips with doing green lining in England. And how do you find riding the desert sled? It's your first time, right?
Yes. I like it. It's just heavy, and the size of it is much
Big,
bigger.
yeah,
big,
compared to
big,
enduro bikes.
Yeah, so it's a bit tiring,
Uh-huh.
but really good fun.
So
Really good fun.
you feel like people have to go to the gym before they come here?
Yes, definitely. And I don't know, I just really like it because you can ride the bike on the road and then off-road. Just perfect.
So yeah, you can go anywhere with desert sled. You just need to learn the right skills, and then you go everywhere.
Yes, exactly.
So now it's time to ask the guys what they think, because
Oh my goodness.
we had too many girls and the guys are dead. So here's our instructor, Simone. So what do you think? It's your first time off-road as well, right?
First time, yes.
And do you like it?
I enjoy myself a lot. so
Yeah?
Yes, fantastic. It was a fantastic day.
That's good
And
to
it's
hear.
not finished yet.
No, we
because
still have to do some
something
stuff.
more. Yes.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. First time with the desert sled.
Yes, yes.
And do you like it?
Yes, a lot.
Yeah.
So much fun, so much fun. Really beautiful.
Cool. So you'll be coming back again then?
Maybe.
Thank you. Domi, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No worries, are you okay? Yeah. Okay. So we had a crash and I got stuck down there. So, are you okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Simon.
No problem.
And now we crash. Like every school, you get your diploma. Ta-da! Yeah, I did it. I survived. I fell down probably like 6 or 7 times. But it was so much fun and I can't wait to be back.